Okay, so in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import to iMovie. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your iDevice, or the thing that you use to film, and you're going to get a USB plug, the same plug that you would use to charge your phone to your computer, right? I plug the one end into my computer and the other end into the bottom of my phone or iPad, like so. So I'm going to locate iMovie on my computer. Every computer does come with iMovie, so know that if you have a Mac, you'll be able to find this software. Now, your version of iMovie might look a little bit different than mine. It just depends on what version you have on your computer. But for the most part, everything is in the same spot, more or less. At least everything should be pretty clearly labeled. So the first thing that I'm going to do is import media. Now the nice thing is if I've never used iMovie, there's going to be a nice big button that's called Import Media right front and center. If it's not there though, you can use the little arrow up top. And notice if I scan over it, it will say Import Video from a camera or a folder from your computer. So I'm going to click Import Media and wait for the pop-up screen. Now you'll notice under cameras is actually my phone. So your phone might be named whatever your personal phone is named, or if it's the school's, it might be called iPad with then a number, but you're gonna look for it up in camera. You might also see your devices, your desktops. So this is where you would import anything. If you have a photo from online, you could upload it from this place. So I'm going to wait for this little circle next to my camera, my iPhone, to finish, and that's going to mean all the footage is done loading. I can then click on that camera, and I can see all of the footage that I've taken. If there's a little camera like this, or in the edge rather, that means it's a still photo. If there's a clock, that means it's a video. Okay, so here's my video, and I can actually see it. All right, so I'm going to select my video and then go to Import Selected. And here's my footage. I know it's done when the circle up here on the side of iMovie disappears. So now my footage is imported. And I'm actually going to import some other footage as well. I'm going to go into my import screen and go to my desktop. And then video tutorials, which is up here, and I'm going to import the footage that I need in order to make these tutorials for you guys. All right, so here just imported, and I can select more than one if I want. So now I'm ready to start editing. In order to edit, I have to create a new project. You'll see I already have a project down here and a timeline, but I could also go click this arrow up here to projects. I can name my movie. I'm going to name it Editing Tutorial. Hit OK, and here it is. I can also create a new project from here. You always want to make sure that you make a movie and not a trailer. A trailer is very click and drag and doesn't allow you to edit freely. That's it for how to import. Go watch the next tutorial in order to see how to actually edit.